Easy, one-level living in the Meadowlands. You will appreciate the meticulous curb appeal, the bright and cheery open-concept floor plan, and all that this exclusive 55-plus community has to offer. Pull up to this beauty and imagine relaxing on the covered porch or grilling in the privacy-fenced backyard. If extra garage space is a must, the oversized 24 by 32 heated garage will accommodate all of your hobby and storage needs. Plus, the breezeway between the garage and home keeps you out of the elements. As you enter the home from the garage, you will find a flex room complete with an infrared sauna. The open-concept floor pan was designed to fill the space with natural lighting. A very spacious living room flows into a generous dining area and the chef's dream kitchen, decked out with stainless steel appliances. All bedrooms will accommodate queen or king-size beds and offer ample closet storage. The primary suite features a walk-in closet with a stylish barn door and 3/4 bath with double-seated shower and dual sink. Vanity.Across the street is a 2,500 square feet ADA-compliant activity center, offering a covered patio, TV lounging area, pool table, workout room, a deluxe kitchen, and large dining space for park residents to host social gatherings. Meadowlands Park is a quiet, scenic community where you can encounter wildlife such as turkey and deer, walk your dog, and plant a garden in your backyard. The park is within a short distance of a supermarket.